Under Regular Return, the software includes an Export Return Data option to export the details of the return to Excel. Selecting Export to Excel generates a file for the chosen TAN, form, financial year, and quarter. A CSV format is also available. Under the Regular Return option, navigate to Export Return Data. Click on Export to Excel. By default, the Excel option is selected for exporting. One can choose to export in CSV as well. In this case, it is done through Excel. Click on Export Data. Click on Save. Open the downloaded Excel file to view the data. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.